Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here with a video on my updates of my Gladious, you guys. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so you guys, if y'all been following me for some time, y'all know that I didn't feel like I have the green thumb when it comes to planting beautiful flowers, so I was attempting to add more beautiful flowers to the garden. So a couple of months back I planted Gladious for the first time, and oh my gosh, you guys, these are some of the most beautiful flowers I ever seen. So this is my first year of growing them, and they are so beautiful. Now I have to figure out a way to grow them where they're not lagging. So I'm not sure why they are lagging. Man, these some beautiful flowers, you guys. And I had to do this video, not a long video, but I had to do this video. Beautiful nest. I grew a Gladious. And if y'all not familiar with Beautiful Nest, most of us are. If you not, go over and watch her channel. She is like the goddess of flowers when it comes to growing beautiful flowers in her garden as well as her mom's garden. She does videos on her mom's garden as well, and they are always filled with beautiful flowers. So again, this is my first year of growing them, and we're gonna move down here where I first sowed my first round of bulbs. And yes, they are bulb flowers. So I believe bulb flowers come back every year. And look at these little, this color like a peach. And for some reason these had went the other way. Not sure why, but just so beautiful. They're so beautiful. So what I have to do, you guys, and if you are familiar with Gladious, tell me why they get laggy. I don't know if it's the weight. I'm not sure if I'm possibly not sticking my bulbs down in the soil further enough to give them that stability. I think I might have went maybe 2 to 3 inches deep in the soil, and I may need to go a little bit further so that they can keep, stand upright. But again, some of them did get laggy, but overall I was really pleased with the outcome of them. I was just so tickled. So what I have to do is figure that out. So what I would like is to actually have this whole area filled up with just beautiful flowers. And if I could get the Gladious to stand upright, I think it'd just be just such a showpiece right here in this area. But even though it didn't bloom up the way I wanted it to because they laggy, and you can see some of them right there that hasn't even birthed the flowers as of yet. Hopefully when they come back next year, they will be more stronger, and that could be it too, being that these are just new in the ground. Maybe their roots are still getting established so that they can have the strength to hold up. So if you guys are familiar with growing Gladious, please drop me a line and let me know if that's the case, of why they are laggy, because I really think that's what it is. This is their first year in the soil, and they're probably developing their roots so they can be a little bit stronger when they come in next season, and that way they'll just stand up nice and tall. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this update on my Gladious. And yes, again, beautiful nest, SK grew some Gladious. All right, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.